I also don't like this stand. This is huge and bulky and stuck to my dresser. Ow! Hey guys, it's Zia. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to rearrange this whole area. It's a mess. It's been a mess for like a week and I haven't fixed it up at all. It's just, you know, very unorganized, disorganized, and it's a mess. It's all a mess. There's things here that don't belong here. This whole area needs to be straightened up. I don't even know what's what anymore. So let's just get started. First things first, I don't need all these in here. Actually, this is gonna stay right here because I'm thirsty. This is our TV that I don't need in here anymore because it's not plugged in or anything. My plan was to have it mounted on the wall and for us to have our Xbox and our Wii U in here, but there's no point because those are still in their boxes. We literally never opened it. I know we'll use it eventually, but there's no point in the TV staying in here, so I'm just going to take this out. Oh, it is plugged in. I didn't remember this being plugged in. And here's a bunch of pins. I'm going to arrange these and put them on the wall. Hopefully I can get that done today. Now I have to figure out how I'm going to move that, not the desk, the dresser, and unplug the TV without literally dropping the TV on the floor. It's not plugged in, it's just pushed there. Why is the cord just laying? Well, I'm glad it wasn't plugged in. Gosh, now I can move this out of here. It serves no purpose. I also don't like this stand. This is huge and bulky and stuck to my dresser. Almost hit myself in the face with that. Hello! I was working on putting these together. I finally got all my pins on boards, so I'm finally going to hang these. And I already started putting the nails in, and then I remembered I should be filming this. So the nails are going in. I have all three holes marked, so let's keep going. I'm putting them in kind of at an angle. It just makes me feel better. I don't know if that's like actually correct, but it's just how I've always done it. Alright, so far I'm really happy with how it looks. I think it's really cute. That is just mine and Ernie's wedding anniversary. I wanted to have something on the middle board just so it has something on it. It's not just totally blank, and I didn't think about that when I got all the other pins on the other boards. So that is kind of like a placeholder for future. Getting the pins on the board took up so much of my time that now I have to go pick up Ernie from work. So we will pick up on doing all of this tomorrow. Hey guys, it's the next day. I'm not wearing any makeup. I'm not gonna bother doing that today. But I still have to continue all of this. So let's tie our hair up real quick and get moving. I don't remember if I mentioned or not, I'm also going to clean this whole thing here. So that is going to take me a minute because there's a lot of things that need to be rearranged and stuff. Alright, so I decided I want this little shelf here to be our kind of a catch-all area for our electronics. So our phones, tablet, anything else like that, it's gonna be here. We have this little power strip that's always been in this corner, but instead I finally realized years later that we can actually pull it and have it sitting right in here, which works really well for me. I'm gonna put something underneath probably just to keep it level, because if it's not, it's going to drive me crazy. Anyway, I have this charging station. Yay! It works! Alright, having all the wires back there was driving me nuts. So instead, I rerouted it down here, and now it's just sitting on top of these two candles. I'm not going to have that much on this shelf, maybe just a couple of small things for storage, but that's going to be it. So this is pretty good, and it's like out of sight up here, which makes me happy because I don't like the clutter of all the wires. It makes me very angry. And this doesn't want to stay here, but it's okay. It will eventually. It will mold the way I want it to. I found this potpourri stuff that I totally forgot that I had, so I'm gonna just put it into this little vase here. It also came with scented oil. It smells really warm and cinnamony and very fall. I know that it's spring right now, but I really like these scents. Okay, I finally think that this is just done. Everything else is basically not going back up there for now. I just have to find a place to put them. It's just so clean right now that I just want to leave it this way. And that's everything, really. It's so much less cluttered than it was before. This little area kind of looks a little kind of witchy. I understand that like that and this are like kind of, they don't go together. But I'm ordering some things that I think will kind of pull them together and make it look like they belong in the same room. And that's it. I don't have anything else to say except I hope you guys are having a great day and staying healthy and staying home. Just do your own thing for a bit until the world goes back to normal and then we can all go out. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.